Step 1. Place the cabinet. Step 2. After installing the connecting piece, fix it with 6×55 screws. Step 3. Use 6×7.5 screws to connect and fix the left and right cabinets. Step 4. Install the front connecting piece and fix it with 4×12 screws. Step 5. Frame up the upper cabinet. Step 6. Use 6×7.5 screws to connect and fix the upper and lower cabinets. Step 7. Use 6×55 screws to fix the cabinet. Step 8. Use 6×7.5 screws to connect and fix the left and right cabinets. Step 9. Install the front connection piece at the junction of the cabinet body, using 4×12 screws. Step 10. Install the network cable and connect the AC power cord. Step 11. Install the main network cable. Step 12. Install the module. Confirm that the arrow of the module is facing upwards for installation.